Hello, this is Manesh Patel from Ichimoku Trade. Today we're going to go for a 5-minute workshop. I'm going to give you the secrets for trading consistently. Consistently is the key word. Any person can make money on the markets going up, but it's very hard for people to make money on the markets going sideways. And we're going to sit there and show you the secrets on consistently making money in any types of market. Why are we doing that? This is not no marketing fluff video where we're trying to sell anything to you. We're actually really talking seriously to you today. Reason why is we are sick and tired of 98% of retail traders failing. Okay, only 2% make it. I'm one of those few retail traders that did sit there and make it, and I want to share the secret to you. Reason why is the last couple of months I've been traveling around the world and I've been listening to people with various different systems and so forth, and talk about how they're sitting there making some money, how they're losing, going back and forth and so forth. And the problem is they don't know the secrets of trading, and that's what I want to give you today in this short little 5-minute workshop. Okay, so first, we're going to go for this little quote here. And it's key. Reason why. This is the number one reason why 98% of us retail traders are failing. Remember, I'm a retail trader that turned institutional. So I am part of you. I went for the same pains and everything that you did, where 1 minute you're making money, next minute you don't. You blow out your accounts and so forth. I've blown out my accounts 3 times as a retail trader. Okay? So I know exactly what you're going through. But let's take a look at this quote. It takes nothing to join the crowd. It takes everything to stand alone. What does this mean? If 98% of the people are doing the same thing, if 98% of the people are thinking the same way, and you're doing the same thing, what do you think? You're going to win or lose? You're going to lose. So if you follow the crowd, you're going to lose. If you sit there and do everything that the people are telling you on the internet, you're going to lose. So you got to understand, it's better for you to sit there not to follow the crowd. Reason why is your reward risk is a lot better when you go against the crowd. Okay, so that's the number one thing, is you got to stop doing what everyone else is doing, because majority of the crowd are losers. Okay, so what is the secret? Here's a quote that sums up the secret. Eventually people will realize mistakes are meant for learning, not repeating. What does this mean? If you think about it, we always were taught since we grew up that basically the more wiser you become, the more successful you become in life. However, our parents also told us that it's not good to make mistakes. Well, those two sentences contradict each other. In order to become wiser, you have to be able to make mistakes. The more mistakes you make, the more wiser you become, as long as you learn from that mistake and don't allow it to occur again. The key is learning from your mistakes. If you learn from your mistakes, you become wiser. If that's the case, and you look at that philosophy that works in life, that also works in trading. Why do people not know why they lose? People concentrate on their winning trades. Your winning trades don't matter at all. It's your losing trades that matter. I sit there for the last couple of months and I go around to everyone and ask them, why did they lose? No one could give me the answer. Well, let me ask you, if you don't know why you lost, how are you going to learn from it? If you don't learn from it, you're going to repeat that mistake over and over and over. This is the problem with all the education courses out there. This is the problem with the internet and so forth. No one could sit there and explain to you why you lose, but you have to understand why you lost in the trade in order for you to become successful. I understand there's black swan events, but majority of the times you could sit there and determine why you lost and learn from it. If you don't, you're never going to progress at all. Okay? So here's my challenge for you. There's no cost at all. I want everyone to email me one losing trade, and I'm going to tell you why you lost so you learn from it. Okay, here's the email. I want you to send it to me, and this is only going to be available for the next 3 days. After 3 days, I will not sit there and respond to any email at all, because I'm going to be flooded for the next 3 days. Okay, and here's the conditions. It's only one per customer. I'm allowing this. Reason why is we got a huge number of followers, and I don't want to sit there and not be able to respond to everyone. So I want to be able to respond to everyone, so one per customer. Also, don't write me a book. Don't write me a paragraph. Trading is visual. That means I want a chart marked up. That means send me a snapshot of your trading time frame, where you lost, with your entry, your stops, and all that information. Also on that chart, give me a point-by-point step of your trading plan that you executed to put that trade out there. If you do that, I will sit there and tell you why you lost, and you could learn from there. Okay? So this is the key. This is my challenge to everyone. If you really are serious in becoming a successful, consistent trader, you will do this. That's the only way you're going to learn. I don't understand why people don't understand it at all. This is the number one reason why I was able to finally sit there and turn the corner from retail to institutional is that I took the time to figure out why I lost. Once I did that, I improved and improved and improved until a point I was able to consistently make money, and that's the key. Okay, so this is your challenge from me to you. There's no cost, no marketing gimmick at all. Just do it.